What did he run, man? What did he run? Bro, what did he run? You didn't tell me yet.
11:02.
What?
Wow. Should have taken a shit first.
So close. All right, let's cool it down. Let's do it again. No. Woo! Sorry. Thank you guys. Right. Yes! Woo! Oh. Thank you guys. Well, MercRacing has done it with Tony and Jorge Garcia. They got that record, man. 10.8.
He doesn't know yet.
He doesn't know yet. So we gotta scare him when he comes by.
You do it.
You do it?
Take the driver's seat out.
Oh, that's right, yeah. It's coming. All right. So I gotta wipe the smile off my face though.
Just think of a naked grandma.
So close. Huh?
Just think of an old naked grandma or something.
Yeah. Close, man. So close. Yeah, I'll let him show you the sticker, man. Yeah. This is incredible, man. I can't believe you're so close. So close, man. Woo! Tony, man. Congrats, bro. Yeah. You done it, brother. And you're about to quit. And you're about to stop. Huh?
I watched it and shifted one too. I was
Thank you.
Absolutely.
All right.
Thank you, gents.
Bless you.
Oh, man.
Wow. That's awesome.